will have same features of as parents.
Correct. That is called as an inheritance. That is the characteristics of the grandparents. Correct. This is inheritance. And any other things? Any other examples for the inheritance?
And extending the parent class variables methods to the parent class for a child.
Okay, that is with respect to Java you're talking. I know that is correct. But in general, what are the inherited properties you will get? How you will get from the parents to the children, or from the properties will be inherited? Characteristics of the grandparents or any others will be inherited. What other things? What other things can be inherited from the parents?
Behavior,
Behavior, okay. Appearance, correct. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಆ, ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮನೇಲಿ? ಓ, ಈ ಮಗು ಅವ್ರ ತಾತನ್ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಕಣ್ಣು ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪನ್ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಮೂಗು ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ್ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಮಗು ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅವ್ರ ಆನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೋ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರ ತರಾನೇ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರ ತರ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಮಗು ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್. And few of the things, maybe illness, ಶುಗರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬಿ ಪಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈ ದ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಅದೇ ತರಾನೇ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಥ್ರೂ DNA ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಡು ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಫ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in Java also, we have a concept called as an inheritance. Okay. So what do you mean by that? Inheriting the properties from one class. So suppose if we are having a multiple classes, if you think it, you know, we have class A, this is class B. Okay. Or this is a class father class. And this is a class of son class. Okay. If the father is having the inherited property of 30-40 site, okay, it's if it is a variable, a is equal to int a is equal to 30 into 40, some dimension, correct? So this will be considered as an variable. Do you agree this? Guys, are you
Yes, ma'am.
understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the variable, but this is the variable which we call it as a property of the father class. Am I right? This is the 30-40 site is what father is having. Okay. And this same, okay, he's also having a farmhouse. Okay. If I will consider this as a method, what we do, we'll consider this as a method. Okay. These are the two things what the father is having. Okay. So after this, what happens after his ages? It will be coming to the son. These are the inherited properties which father has owned. Am I right? This will come to son. How? They should have they are having a relationship as a father and a son. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this can be done by the keyword called as an extend. Extend. So what it will do, and this inheritance is also called as is a relationship. What it is called as is a relationship. That means father is having a relationship, or we can also say it as father is a sorry, if he has some name. Okay. Mm, Ganesha. Okay. Son name is Ganesha and the father name is Shiva. Right? Ganesha is a son of Shiva. What is the sentence we frame while explaining the relationship? Ganesh is a son of Shiva. Am I right? What is the relationship it is showing? Is a relationship. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is called as an is a relationship. Now you are getting confused with has a relationship as well as is a relationship. What is the difference? Am I right? What is has a relationship now? Explain me.
Composition.
Composition. I know the another name of has a relationship is composition, but what it means exactly? What we do?
Class name having a object of another class.
Correct. That means we will be creating the object for the another class. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
There is no concept of subclass, superclass, parent class, child class in a has a relationship. Do you understand that?
Yes.
There, if we are creating an object of another class, then that is has a relationship. They have a relationship. If somebody has come next to our house, they are a neighbor. We have a relationship. That is just a neighboring relationship. But if our relatives is far away from us, but we have a blood relationship, that is a relationship. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is lot of difference between has a relationship and is a relationship. I will explain this now. So yeah, if you consider a mother, if you consider a mother, when she'll become mother? When she have a child. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if she have a child, then it is called as has a relationship. Only if you have some relationship here, external relationship, right? Once you give birth to a child, then only you will be called as a mother. But here, she is a lady or a female. We consider this as a lady or a female. We call it as a gender. If you want to fill any form, you will fill it as a female. Am I right? So this will come by default, correct? The property of the female or the female characteristics will come by default, but the mother qualities will come only once you give a birth to a child. So by default things, whatever it comes, right? So this is a relationship. What it is? This is a relationship. Are you understanding this? By default it will come if you want it or not. This is a relationship, but only once you give the birth to a child, then only you will be called as a mother. This is has a relationship. In the same way, if these three are the classes, when you create the object of this mother class, then only these two classes will have some relationship. Either it is a relationship or has a relationship. But here, by default, you have a relationship with as a female or the characteristics as a female. So this comes by default. This is called as is a relationship. Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
That means properties of this class lady will come to the mother class. But when you create the object of this child class in the mother class, either the classes or you are creating the object of the mother class in the child class, then only you can access this mother class. Am I right? Otherwise, you cannot access this mother class, correct? If you are not given a birth to a child, how can this child access the mother? It's not possible, right? That is can be achieved only by creating the object. Do you understand this?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
This is what the difference between is a relationship and has a relationship. Okay, for boys, I'll explain. I'll give you one more example. See, you know. Okay, we'll consider this class as an Enfield bike. Okay, so this class is a Enfield bike. So this by default it will inherit the properties of class bike. Do you agree this? Do you understand this? By default, all the things will be all the properties of the bikes. That is the what to say ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸು ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇರ್ engine fuel tank two wheels seating seats gear ಸೊ ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೌದಾ this is a relationship by default all the properties of the bike will be there in this bike Enfield. Sorry, spelling ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, but the engine, there is a difference in engine, correct? For in each bike, sports bike ಬೇರೆ engine ಬರುತ್ತೆ, gear system ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Am I right? Boys, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So here it's a class of engine or a gear
GEAR.
GEAR. Okay. So, but for a particular bike, if, for a KTM, engine is different and the gear system is different. For Enfield, it is different. For Pulsar, it is different. For all other types of the class or of all other types of the bikes we have in the society or in the industry, each of the brand will have different engine and the gear system. Am I right? Discover ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 4 ಗೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು KTM ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಹುಡುಗರ ಇದಕ್ಕಾರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
5 ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹಾ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಗೇರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಹೌ, what kind of gear system is decided by this? They will have the tie up. This is the relationship which they have created externally, but this is by default what the relationship they are getting. Do you understand this? Is a relationship and has a relationship, everybody here? Yes. If you understand this difference, it would be better, because this is one of the interview question. Okay, what is the difference between is a relationship and has a relationship? Okay, now we'll come to the topic saying that what is inheritance. What do you mean by inheritance? Properties from one class, inheriting the properties from one class to another class is called as an inheritance. That is called as an is a relationship, and that can be achieved by the keyword called as an extend. What that means, suppose if we are having two classes and we are extending class B extends class A, means this is the parent class and this will be the child class. This is the father class, right? So all the properties present in this parent class will be inherited to the subclass. See, if you see this example, after the ages, what happens? All the properties in the name of father will come to the son by default. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this can be done by the relationship called as an is a relationship, because he is his son. If he's not his son, if he is a third person, he should buy it by paying him money. But here it's not the thing. So son class is extending the father class. So father property has been extended till the son. Do you understand this now? Everybody here? Yes.
Yeah.
So in order to access the property, we just have always created an object of the subclass. In this, what is the thing is, just by creating the object of the subclass, we can access the superclass also, because by default, all the properties in the parent class will be present in the subclass. Okay? And we can inherit the variables and the methods, but we cannot inherit the constructor. This is one more point. Okay? What we cannot do? We can inherit the properties or the members. Properties means the members, okay, of methods as well as the variables, but not the constructor. Why? Why it is so? Okay, I'll just name it as a main class. Okay. We'll try to write the same example here. Okay. I'll be having the class as a father. Inside the father class, I have a property of int is equal to 40. This is the dimensions. Okay. And public void will be having the site or the farmhouse, whatever it is. Okay. Inside this, what is it? Is there? Okay. So next, after his age, what happens? He will be having the son where he extends his property. He extends his property means his property has been come to the son. Correct. That means all these things, whatever we have here, right? These are the properties or the members we call it as. This will be present virtually. This will be present virtually. Do you understand this? This is for your reference. I am writing it. Okay. So int b is equal to 30 and write. Okay. Now what we do? So this is the child class. This will become the super class. From which class we are extending the properties, that class will become the super class, and to which class we are inherited the properties, that class will become the child class. Okay. Now we will be creating the object for the child class, saying that new son. So this is the child class, correct? So we will be creating the object for the child class, saying that using this, what I can do, I can access this site, which is of the site is of which class property? Father class property, just by creating an object. Now you observe here, father and son class is a relationship, and son and main class has a relationship because we have created the object of son class in the main class. She is like a wife of the son. She's a like this class is like a daughter-in-law. Do you understand this? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ? Only if this girl get married to this son, then only she can access this house. She can have the share with the property. Otherwise, she cannot have the share. Do you understand this? The difference between is a relationship and has a relationship. This is what the bond are called as a marriage, where they are having to access the properties. This two classes, that is class son and the main class, is what is this relationship is called as of the son class and the main class? As a relationship. We are creating an object of the son class in the main class, but to father class and son class is having a is a relationship. Do you understand this now? By having the reference of the subclass, that is the son class or the child class, we can access this A of the superclass or the father class. Even we can access the B, which is of the subclass. See what is the output we are getting. If we are calling the superclass method using the reference of the subclass, I am able to access it. See, that is what it is printing. I am able to access the superclass variable. I am able to access it. Subclass variable, I am able to access it. So that means by creating the object for the subclass, we can access the superclass property also, because as the name indicates, in the inheritance means the properties of the superclass will be inherited to the subclass by default. Understood? Everybody clear about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This concept is called as an inheritance in Java. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.